Good evening, everyone. Hope everyone is having a good weekend. So the objective of this session is to share about different services provided by us, and also want to share how to effectively use the alerts, right? And also want to share like how to use the indicators effectively so we can make consistent gains every day. So let me start with what are the services provided by us so that you need to understand, because every service, right, based on, we have different services based on like what type of trader you are. You need to understand which type of service might be good for you. So for example, right, let's first let me share the high level overview of various services. So if you are a low risk trader, then you cannot be 100% before the system all the time, then stocks is, right, stock service is a better option, because in stocks you don't have theta decay or you don't have implied volatility. You don't need to immediately, right, quickly buy or sell something. You don't need to be on time to take the trades. So if you are someone who can, right, for example, you might be working from remote, you don't have too many meetings, you can take the trades. uh, then, right, stock service, uh, so if you can, right, if you are a busy with lot of meetings, then stocks might be good for you, right? You don't need to immediately, whenever analysts give an alert, you don't need to enter or you don't need to immediately exit. the, right, sometimes, for example, if Tesla, right, if it is options, you may have to enter on time, exit on time. But when you are trading stocks, you can, you have more flexibility to enter the trades. So within stocks we have three types of channels, right? Within the stock service, stock is nothing but where you are buying a part of a small fraction of company's equity, right? You, if you are buying Tesla, that means you are a small shareholder of the Tesla company. If you are buying Nvidia, you are a small shareholder, right? Point 0.00001 or maybe 100 zeros one, yeah, or you have ownership in that company. So within stocks, we have three types of channels. One is mainly for your day trading or scalping, right? If you are a, again, within stocks also, if you are more of a full-time focused trader, right, you want to make trading as your full-time job, or you want to take the advantage with the movements in the stock market, especially this channel is for such type of full-time traders, right? The stocks for scalping and day trading, where there will be minimum 3 4 opportunities every day, which may make 50%, 80%, 100%, 200% on the same day. Most of those stocks are like penny stocks, which are generally below $5, $10. If there is a good news associated to those stocks, right, whenever there is a high relative volume, that means there must be some good news with the, right, there might be some big company might be buying a small company, right? For example, SOUN, we are seeing like within last 1 week it moved nearly 100% up. So every day you will see minimum 3 4 stocks which may make 50 to 100% move. But you have to be very quick to enter, very quick to exit this, right, within this scalping and day trading or halts channel, where your investment will be low, but your risk is high, because your entry and exit should be very accurate, or it should be very quick, right? You cannot take something and go for a meeting, and by the time you come back, it may move up 100% and again drop 100%. So this is more like options where you have to be on time, right? I'll also show you some examples so that you will understand. Then we have other channel. So when you subscribe to this stock subscription, you will get access to three different channels. Our bots will be giving you all the alerts for the scalping, day trading, right? High momentum stocks. Because of some good news or bad news, there might be many stocks which might be moving very high or very down. So you can see all such opportunities. Then there are stocks where you can hold for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, like that. And then you can make profits. Right? So 80% of the time they will hit the targets. 20% of the stocks may hit a stop loss. But 80%, right? If you use a consistent position size, you will have, right? You will end every week with a positive gains. Then we have another channel, which is stocks for long term, where you are holding the stock not for just a few minutes, right? This is where you are holding it for few minutes or maybe for few hours. This is where you may hold it for few hours or maybe few days. This is where you will hold the stock for few weeks, right? So if you are more like, for example, we got Tesla below $100, we got Meta below $100, Nvidia below $100, like that. So we will see like on the weekly support or daily time frame support, we'll be buying stocks, right? Mara, right? We got below $10. Caravana, we got below $10. Like that, I'll show you all the examples. But if you are mainly looking for some stocks for long term, right, in your maybe in your retirement accounts or for longer term, right? For example, Kava is a good company. So whenever we got it at around $130, we we bought some Kava stocks. Right now it is around 145, 150. It may go to 200, right? It is just like Chipotle. You know how Chipotle went to nearly $2,000, right? Kava is similar type of thing. So you will get some good quality stocks here, but for a longer duration. Whereas, so you will get access to all the three channels, but you need to understand whether you can do this, right? Are you a day trader, scalper? Are you a swing trader? Or are you a long-term trader? So here you may get 10 opportunities every day. Here you may get 4, 5 opportunities every day. Here you may get only 1 or 2 opportunities every week. So you should not just go with quantity, but based on your time, based on how much. So if you are a busy professional with your job, but you are trying to take these trades, you might be right losing because you may not enter on time or exit on time. Already when a stock moved 50%, 100%, 200%, you may enter a trade, and immediately when you take it, there might be a big dump, right? Especially penny stocks, big companies will take it 100, 200% on the same day, and suddenly they will do a big dump. So you should, if you're a full-time trader, you should focus on the alerts for scalping and day trading. If you are a trade, right, you are a member who can spend maybe 1, 2 hours every day, then maybe swing stocks is good for you. If you are a member who can only spend few hours every week, right, you cannot spend every day 2, 3 hours, but maybe every week you can spend 2, 3 hours. Maybe long-term stocks is good for you. So, right, so you have all three different types. If you are a full-time or part-time or very rarely, whenever you get some good opportunities, you want to buy them, then this is for you. So let me show you some examples so you understand how to use that, how to use those panels. Or for example, if you go here, right, so this is like stocks premium channel, or let me start with the day trading or scalping channel and how to use those alerts. So that scalping channel is called as day trading and halt channel, right? So mainly this is for your day trading purpose. So every day there will be some good news. So the most important keyword you need to see is this volume spike. Whenever you see something like volume spike, that means the relative volume is increasing. So if every day, for example, let us say 1 million stocks are bought and sold, on the day, if more than 2 million stocks are getting, right, there are more than 2 million transactions happening, then you see something like this volume spike. So whenever you see that volume spike keyword, that is, for example, let us see Amazon AWS announces new database capabilities, including Amazon Aurora DSQL. So the price is $212.35 at 11:38 a.m. So if you see, right, maybe, yeah, from that day, within 2 days, Amazon went up nearly 20, $30. So here you got something, right? On December 3rd, CNEY receives NASDAQ minimum bid price requirement extension. It was at approximately 38 cents. Within few minutes, it went to 53 cents, 56 cents, 59 cents. And then next day, it went to $1, right? Nearly 100% up. Then CANF, 8-year survival with complete cure for a patient with advanced liver cancer being treated with Can-Fite's drug. So in pre-market, it was $3, right? So within CNA, so this one nearly 200% after hours, now hitting one, right? From 38 cents, it went to $1.08. And CYCN volume spike, $2.5. CYCN testing pre-market high. CYCN new pre-market high, 4.17. CYCN over 4.5. CYCN over $5. CYCN over $6. So like that, every day you will see minimum two, three stocks moving 50% to 100%. So there will be some good news, right? Especially if something is related to a cancer treatment or some blood pressure treatment, sugar treatment, right? For everything, you will see a news. Why, right? What is the reason? What is the catalyst associated with that stock, right? SRM Entertainments, Amazon sales surge over 400% in 3 months. So SRM pre-market high, 99 cents. And then SRM new high, 1.07. SRM at 1.39. SRM 1.55. So SRM 1.77. So at what time we got the news? Yeah, approximately 99 cents. Now you have approximately 1.55, 1.77. So like that, every day there will be few news, and you can, so for example, SMX, right? Okay, let us see something on Friday. So MRM, tomorrow you can focus on MRM. It may move to nearly $9 to $10. Right, let us look at MRM. Now, if you combine those news along with the indicators, that will make your job much more easy. You can understand where you have, from $3, it went all the way to $8, right? That particular stock. So whenever you receive a news, right, either you can go long. If there is a bad news, you can go short. You know that it was, right. This was like December 6th, right, which is Friday. It went nearly all the way, right, at 130 MRM over $6. Or right at 131, you got a news that MRM financing rounded JPY $9 billion, valuation 3.84. Oh, MRM over $6, MRM over $7, MRM over $8. So tomorrow, if we see a buy signal on MRM, again it may go back to $8. Right? In the same way, right? INTZ, LGMK, CRKN, there is some volume spike. Right? The volume started going up on these stocks. So you can always add them to a watch list, and you can track them on Monday. So on Friday, after nearly after 1 o'clock, they started moving up. Tomorrow we may see a nice move on these tickers. Then THER. So this THER announces 2.2 million private placement to advanced development programs. So currently $2.5 at 119. THER high of the day $3. So now if I want to know what is the possibility, THER can go to, if you look at THER, it went all the way to 3.5. So tomorrow, if it starts moving, it, approximately 3.37 is your target. So now right? If you are following this, you know which are the high momentum stocks, which stocks are moving very good. And then you see whenever it comes to a premium zone from the discount, you can take the profits. Or whenever there is a pullback and again you get a buy signal on top trend, right? Okay, now on Friday it went all the way to $3.5. Tomorrow again, if we see some volume on this, if you get a buy signal from top trend, it can go all the way to again approximately 3.3 or 3.5, right? That is where you have your sellers. Here you have a lot of buyers. So that will help you. So all you need to do is watch for this volume spike keyword or watch for some catalyst which is related to, especially if it is related to cancer or any heart related things, they will move huge. So yeah, every day you will have minimum 4 or 5 stocks which will move 100%, 200%. So yeah, I can share hundreds of examples, but because of the time factor, right? You can see many trades, but what you need to do is again, don't expect 100% on everything, right? Always have 20% as your target, right? Even 20% within few minutes is always good. So you can have 10% as stop loss, 20% as a target. 90% of these stocks will move 20%, 20, right? Some of them may move 100%, 200%, but all we are targeting is 20%, because these are penny stocks. If there is a good news, if there is a high relative volume, they will easily may move 20%. So even you make 20% on 8 stocks, you lose 10% stop loss on 2 stocks, still you will be profitable at in the end of the day. So this is right the day trading or scalping stocks channel, where you don't need to worry about theta decay, implied volatility, which expiry date, what strike price. You just follow these stocks which are just moving based on some positive news or negative news. UPC 243% pre-market, ZBEVO over $6. So you will see many stocks every day, right? Minimum 5 to 10 stocks each and every day. Then you have the other channel, which is the swing channel or swing stocks, where you will hold the right. For example, AVGO, we got it 167. Now it is 179. Pins, we got it 31. Now it is about 32. SQ, we got it $90. Now it is $97. Like that, we have MK and then PB and MG. They will be posting different alerts, which are mainly where you can hold the trade for few days, right? Sometimes maybe within 1 2 days it will hit the target. Sometimes it may take 1 week, 10 days, but you are holding. And MK, MG, they have more than 85%. So 80 85% success rate with the targets. SMCI, buying SMCA at 27, the average levels 21.8, potential target 36 and 48. So now right? SMCI came to nearly 43, 44. So at what date he gave this one? So this was on November 5th. Even within 1 month, even if you can make 40, 50%, that is a huge, right? So like this 80, 85% PLTR, we bought at $39. targets 42, 46, 51. Everything, everything met the targets. So 8 out of 10 stocks will meet the targets, right? Maybe two stocks may hit the stop loss. So if you maintain a consistent position size, right? If you, let us say you have a $30,000 account. So use $1,000 as your capital for any stock, right? For example, you are buying TIGR, it is $11. Then you may buy some 90 stocks, 95 stocks. Let us say you have something like PLTR, you may buy 20 stocks. Like that, if you use a consistent position size, you will be you will be successful, right? You will make profits. Don't buy 100 stocks of each, right? If DDOG is $121, PLTR is 50 $40, you may buy 10 stocks of DDOG, you may buy 30 stocks of PLTR. That is where you need to maintain a consistent position size so that if eight are making profit, two are hitting a stop loss, you will be in a uh, profitable position. But if you are taking 100 for each or 10 for each, if this hits the stop loss but PLTR hits the target, you might be losing more here compared to what you made on the PLTR. That's why it is very, very important whether stocks or options or whatever you are doing, maintain a consistent position size. Position size means with respect to the amount, with respect to what amount you are spending, make sure you use the same amount on each and every trade. So CRM, GEV, so lot of earning trades, you get it from multiple enlists, right? This is the second channel. And then you also have long-term channel. So we bought a DJT for around $33, right? And we may see it more than $50. PDD, adding few stocks of PDD at 89.2. So when we added this one, uh, around August, August 28th, and then five by Mara stocks at 13.8, Rivian at 11.6, potential target $14. So like that, you will see some good quality stocks. Now Mara is above $16. PDD from 89, it moved to 140 plus. Now DJT is right because if Trump comes, then DJT maybe they may even merge Twitter and DJT or X and DJT, and DJT may, right. So at a time it was more than $200 stock, right? This is Trump's media company. So we may see it again back to 50, 60, 70 in few weeks. So this is more where you have patience. You have to wait for longer time, right? For example, Meta. So this is on November 7th, 2022. If anyone wants to add Meta, it's good to add it $89. Now it is nearly 600%, 700% from that price, right? Meta nearly 400% up. SOXL, right? Around $7.6. EQQ below $19. Snap at $8, right? Then CVNA, Arowana at $6. Good for long term. Use 1% of your long term portfolio. Buying Tesla at $169, right? This is before the split. Riot at $3.9, Mara at $6.5. So now it is right. Caravana is more than uh, so now you know, right, how Caravana moved. $250, right? From $6 to $250 is some thousands of percentage, right? So this is mainly for your retirement accounts where you are buying them buying them for your longer term, right? You are not doing it for some short term, but mainly for long term, you are getting those things, right? Nvidia. Let us look at Nvidia, right? So when because of COVID and other things, watching Nvidia to add to investment portfolio will load Nvidia at 170s, right? This was before the split. So that one moved nearly 1000% up. So like that, again, 80% of the stocks will make huge profits. So TTD or so this is mainly for members who want it, right? Who cannot spend a lot of time, but who want to take advantage whenever good stocks go down. You want to take the advantage. You can buy such type of stocks, right? One is if you are a real time full time trader, scalping day trading. Every day you'll have three four stocks which will move 100%. But you have to be real time and you have to enter, exit quickly. Even you don't expect 100%, you just take 20% profit and come out. If you have indicators, that is much better. You know when there are sell orders, when there are buy orders. Based on that, you can take it. Then swing stocks, long term stocks. So you get all these things for $149 until 1210, right? Because with the current success rate, with earnings and other things we are making with stocks and options, we want to increase it to 199 after 1210. So as of now, all the three channels from multiple analysts, you get alerts for $149. Then if you're a low risk trader, you want to take advantage, right? Especially if Trump comes into the market, we may see he knows how to, right, keep the economy stable. He knows how to keep the businesses. He knows how to keep the market up, right? He don't give a lot of money for the wars and other things. We know when Trump was president last time, how the market moved every day. Now also, right after the election, we can see how NQES everything is going up. So still there is a lot of potential for many stocks to move up, right? We can see how the crypto stocks are going up, crypto coins are going up, Bitcoin is going up. So there is a great time to be in the market, right? It was actually better when there was a recession. There were many stocks which were at 90, 80% discount, many quality stocks, but still we have a lot more opportunity for many stocks because mainly 10, 15 stocks moved well, but there are thousands of stocks which are still did not move much. But once Trump is back in the after January, we may see much better opportunities every day. Then the next one is options, right? So for stocks, you need high investment. You need more investment. Your return of investment will be low, but your risk is also low, right? Wherever you have a low risk, your return will be low because, right? For example, if you are buying some good stocks like Mara, right, or something, maybe you may see a drop, but if again crypto is going up, or if then again your those stocks will go up. In the same way, Tesla, or right, it is like he captured the entire EV market, right? RIVN and all the other stocks are going down, but Tesla is like the king of the EV market. He reduced the prices so much that nearly all the other competitors are nearly out of the market from the EV industry. So whenever Tesla goes down, right, uh, you can buy the stock. You may see it drop, but again it will come back. So you don't need to worry about theta decay or something. If you are buying good stocks at a good support, even though there might be small temporary drops, they will continue to go up. Whereas options, you have to be on time, right? Because there is a time limit for options. You have a expiry date, right? Within that time, if it goes up, you will make money. If it drops, you will lose. Or if it keeps going up and down, that implied volatility, IV, theta decay will kill your premiums. So that's why options comes with a high risk and high reward. You can put instead of investing uh, $300 on a Tesla stock, you can put $3 or $300 and buy a Tesla call. And if it, for example, on Friday you saw how Tesla moved, right? You saw nearly 20 $25 move. So it came to the discount area. There was a huge, right? everything bullish, momentum was great, trend strength was great, touched the discount and started. There were a huge buy order blocks. It went all the way to the top without any pullback, right? You know that when you see a blue, until as long as this is blue, you can continue to be on the long side. So if you bought a Tesla call on that day, that would have made 300, 400%, right? Now it is a premium. Tomorrow again, there might be a small drop, but again, it may continue. But because as of now, we don't see anything, any major sell orders, right? Still, it is very, very bullish. If you see in any time frame, 4 hours, daily, everywhere you see Tesla, nothing is stopping Tesla because again, we know Elon Musk supported Donald Trump, and there is a lot of, right? He may be part of lot of committees, lot of organizations. So Tesla will get lot of support from the president. So you see that there are a lot of buyers, buy orders. There are no sell orders, right? Even in the daily also, you don't see any sell orders anywhere. That means everybody is very bullish about Tesla stock. So you see discount 82 million, 112 million, 57 million, 58 million, keeps going up, and as of now, nothing is stopping it. So we may see a small pullback, and again it will go up, right? So even we may see 400 plus very soon, right? Maybe tomorrow itself we may see 400 plus. So this type of opportunities, right? You will the options, right? If you have to buy a stock, if you have $1,000 for one trade, you may only buy two stocks. But same thing, you can buy 10 contracts of Tesla call, right? You see a big buy order block, you see that it is completely bullish, your trend is bullish, momentum is bullish, trend strength is great. Then you buy some 10 contracts. Instead of buying two stocks, you are buying 10 contracts for a 380 call or something. If it moves 10, $20 on the same day, you will make nearly 500%. Right? That means you have a high return, but if it moves choppy or if it goes down, you can also lose all your premium, right? All the money you paid. So you have a high risk and high reward. So we have mainly two types of channel, right? One is where mainly MG and me will give you SPX or SPY, QQQ, right? Many times I told you the best strategy is if you see something, right? For example, SPX, right? That is the most low risk strategy, right? SPX is one of the most liquid ticker in the market, right? Throughout the globe, people will trade SPX. For example, you see SPX here, right? It is right. There are a lot of buyers here. Here you have a premium zone. If you take a, if you are doing a bull put spread here, right? You can buy calls or you can do bull put. Bull put spread means very low risk, right? If it stays choppy, you will make money. If it goes up, you will make money. If it goes little bit down, also you will make money. So if you buy calls, only if it goes up, you will make money. But if it stays choppy or if it goes down, you will lose your premiums. But if you do a bull put spread, you can make money, right? It is very bullish in all time frames. Momentum is very good, trend strength is good, volatility is good. It is looking very green. So we took a bull put spread on Friday, right? Tomorrow it may go all the way until 6100 or so. Then all the premium you collected is completely yours, right? With a minimal risk, right? You have 90% chance of making profits with bull put spreads or bear call spreads. If, for example, you see a huge sell order block and you are at a premium zone, you do a bear call spread, you will make money, right? You are at a premium, that means it is overbought zone. And you also see big companies are doing some big sell orders. Then if you can do puts or you can also do bear call. If you do puts and if it immediately drops, you will make a lot of profit. But if you do bear call spreads, if it stays there also, you'll make profit. If it drops, you'll make profit. Even if it goes little bit up also, you will make profit. That is a bear call spread, right? If you are a discount zone, you see a big buy order block, right? So let us say you are at a discount zone. When market opens, tomorrow you see you are at a discount. That means it is already oversold. there is very high possibility for SPX to move up, or any stock, right? It need not be SPX. You may see Tesla at a discount. You may see Nvidia at a discount. You may see Amazon or Meta, Netflix, something at discount when market opens. That means it is at a discounted price. There is 90% chance price will start moving up from the discount zone. When it is at a discount and you also see big buy order blocks, either you can do calls or you can do bull put spread. So if you do a bull put spread, even if stock suddenly becomes choppy, you will make profits. If it goes little bit down, you will make profits. If it goes all the way up, you will make huge profits. So that is the easiest strategy, best strategy. 90% of the time you will make profits when you do. When you are at a premium zone with a big sell order block, you do bear call spreads. When you are at a discount zone with big buy order blocks, you do bull put spreads. That's it for anything, right? It need not be SPX. It can be for any stocks. You can use the same strategy, right? So like that, we'll be giving trades on SPX and all other different stocks, indices in the options premium channel. And then you will also receive the earnings alerts, right? I gave you example this morning, right? For example, Oracle, right? Tomorrow after hours, we have earnings. What do you think is possible, right? It came all the way from bottom, right? So you can see, right, at $126, 8.6 million buyer. If you see something in green, that means big companies are buying. So here you have 5.5 million buy orders, right? This is the discount zone. 5.5 million buy orders, 8.6 million buy orders, 12.27 buy orders, 9.47 buy orders. And here you are at a premium zone. And tomorrow after hours, we have earnings. You have a big sell order block, 11.4 million sell order block. What do you think? Where there is a high possibility? Do you think, right? Again, right? Anything can happen, but trading is all about probabilities and possibilities. What do you think can happen to Oracle tomorrow post earnings? Right? If we don't see any new buy orders, if it continues in the same way, there is 90% probability we may see a big drop tomorrow. So just one earnings alert can make, right? For example, if I am selling a 200 call and collecting premiums, right? Either you can buy the puts if we are bearish, or we can also sell the call. If I sell a 200 call tomorrow, before earnings, your premiums will be very high. Either you can buy the put and pay a lot of price, or you can also be a seller. You can sell a call because I'm bearish. If I sell a 200 call and collect some $5 or $10 premium, that means my break even is until if Oracle goes to up to 210 also, I'll be in profits. Only if it goes above 210, I am at a loss. If it stays somewhere here, I'll make profit. If it drops, I'll make profit. If it goes little bit up also, I'll make profit. There is a nine because from last earnings from September, it moved already nearly 50% up. From $120, it came to $190. That means it is overbought. So there is a high possibility for a drop. If the flows continue in the same way, tomorrow just with one alert, we can make few $100, right? Even with one contract. Like that. Or let us look at AI. You see, right? There is a 4 million buy order, but there is a 28.2 sell order here. So if I sell a 45 or 46 call tomorrow, right? When once it comes little bit up, then it may touch this and then drop, right? Because it already moved so much, right? So at discount zone, 6.6 million buy order, 3.6 million buy order, 2.3, 3.197, 4.158. So there is a high possibility tomorrow, maybe before the earnings itself, it may move up, or after earnings, it may go up, and then it may come all the way down. So either I can do a put, I can sell a call, and we can make profits. So like that, in one of the channels, you will get all the indices, all the stocks, and in one of the channel, you will mainly look at earnings alerts, right? Every day you will have minimum 4 or 5 companies which will be reporting earnings. So tomorrow Oracle, AI, and lot of other companies are. So you will. We are making nearly 85%, 90% of the success with our earnings alerts, and also with our premium SPX or QQQ, SPY, Tesla, all these also you will be seeing the alerts. So, for example, your options. Right, for example, as I said, right, we took a SPX trade and we collected $230 premium. So tomorrow, if SPX stays above 60.95, all the premium is 100% yours. So with low risk, because we know SPX is very, very bullish. So there is very high possibility for SPX, right? Already it is close to 6100 or 6090, 6091. Tomorrow, even if there is a little bit move up, you will make nice profits with that trade. So, right, it is it is completely bullish. Trend is completely bullish. Momentum is bullish. There is proper strength. Volatility is good. So we may see ES and Q moving up more, and we can make nice profit. So that is another channel, right? Another service where we provide options alerts. So only thing is you need to take the trades at right time, exit at right time. If you are completely a busy professional in your full-time job, you cannot enter at right time or exit at right time. You may take the losses, or you are after making 2 3 profits, you are going all in, right? You feel like, oh, I'm making nice profits. Let me put all my money or put some 10%, 20% in one trade, right? Nobody can give all 100% successful trades, right? Even earnings also sometimes they move up all the way in the pre-market, and suddenly when market opens they may drop. So that's why it is always, right, better to limit a position size, maximum 3 to 5% in each trade. If you have $10,000, maybe $500 in one trade maximum. So if you do that, you will be profitable at end of the day, right? With our options alerts and earnings alerts, you will be part of these two channels if you subscribe. And then yeah, this also price is moving up to $199 after December 10th. Or you can also get combo of both, right? Instead of paying 149, you can pay 249 until 12:10. You will get access to all these three channels, these two. So whenever you are busy, you can only focus on these channels. Whenever you are free, you can also take advantage, right? For this one, all you need is 5 minutes at the end of the market, right? Because we look from 2:30 to 45 central, we see like, okay, what the big companies are doing. Based on that, we take the earnings. So all you need is last 10 15 minutes every day. You focus 15 minutes before the close, that is from 2:45 to 3 p.m. And again in the morning 8:30 to 8:45. That's it. You don't need to be on Zoom sessions, live sessions throughout the day. All you need is just to watch the alerts in the last 15 minutes and close the trades. Then combo of about two, you can get subscription for both, and you can pay only 249 until December 10th, after which you will pay 299. Then futures and crypto, right? The advantage with crypto and futures is there are many prop firms where you don't need to use your own investment. You can take advantage of the futures, right? ES and Q or gold, silver, all those things. Well, every day there will be those are global markets, right? Billions of transactions are done across the globe, right? These are mainly within US, right? Even though UK, Canada, India also do it, but 95% of the volume will come from US traders for US stocks and options. Whereas for crypto, futures, and forex, they are global markets. That means Asia, or it can be Europe, it can be US. Everybody will be trading them. So there will be a lot more volume, and there are a lot of prop firms where you take the advantage. Then you can trade either in your personal accounts or. So now we have crypto also moving up, right? For example, you know, uh, so you'll be receiving all the futures alerts, and also you'll be receiving Bitcoin alerts or Ethereum alerts or Dogecoin, right? Because now crypto market is also going up very well. So there can be a lot of big moves on the cryptos. So Bitcoin looking bullish, 98,700. Now it is above 100K plus, right? Target was, uh, so we know it moved to more than 104K also. So like that, you will receive both the cryptos and futures, especially ES and Q, and then silver, gold, all those things you will be receiving it. And then, so yeah, basically this particular thing is mainly for cryptos and also for futures. Both you can take the trades nearly 23 hours a day for yeah. So even though, so here mainly market is open during your working hours with your IT job or whatever job you primary job you are doing. But whereas these ones, they are nearly open the entire day, right? Except 1 hour. They are open for, right? Crypto is open even on Saturdays and Sundays. But futures, forex markets, they are open 23 hours a day. So you will receive alerts for uh, forex and crypto across throughout the day, throughout the week. Whenever we see good alerts, we will be sharing it. So these channels are where you can follow the alerts, right? The alerts will be easy to understand, right? For example, enter long on CL at 68.88, $150 done, take gains. Or, right, it will show like what is the target. Okay, you short ZL at 41.8. This is the target, this is the stop loss. So you will have the alerts with ZW looking good to short at 54.542.6. This is 541.4. Take gains on ZW shorts. So along with the screenshot, you also understand why we took that short, right? It was completely bearish. The momentum was completely bearish. You got a sell signal, it went all the way down. So if you are trading with prop firms, all you need is one or two good trades every day. That's it, right? So you will be receiving these type of alerts. So if you are a trader who want to follow the alerts and take the signals, right? Any of these things. If you are a low risk trader, stocks. If you are a medium or high risk trader, options or forex or crypto futures, right? Forex also we have, right, different with targets, stop loss, everything, and then whenever they meet the targets, we will say that okay, now close this trade, the right, take this profit. Like this, you will receive all when to close, when to buy, what are the target one, target two, target three, what is the stop loss. Like that, you will receive every day. So again, right, any instrument, the price action, everything is same. Your logic is same. Whenever you are at discount at a good buy orders, go long. Whenever you are at a premium with good sell orders, go short. So the concept is same. So you can trade whichever you want, right? If you are a busy professional, you cannot trade during market hours. Maybe crypto and futures is for you, or forex is for you, or right, instead of, you may think like, instead of me paying 149 here, 149 here, 149 here, 149 here, you can just get the indicators and you can join the live sessions. You can understand like why we are buying something, right? In the live session, we do futures, we do stocks, we do options. Then you understand that okay, because price pulse is showing a big buy order block, we are at a discount, we are going long, we are taking some bull put spread, or we are buying this stock, or because we are at a premium, there is a huge sell order block, we are going short, we are taking a bear call spread, we are doing a put. After watching 2 3 days or 1 week or 2 weeks, you will understand okay, this is the logic, right? For example, let us go to Ethereum. right? If I go to Ethereum, so we got an alert at around 6:15. So generally during this time, your metals will move good. Let me look at your natural gas is moving very bullish, right? So if you see the trend is very bullish, your momentum is good, your trend strength is good. So if I get a buy signal now, right, on natural gas, we can easily make some $150. Or let us look at gold. Gold is very bullish, right? Because futures market opened, it is a global market. Because in Australia, Japan, everywhere, it already Monday started. So you see, trend is bullish, momentum is bullish, trend strength is also good in 5 minutes. So now I can go to top trend. So if let us right now there is a sell signal, but if I get a buy signal, do you think we can go long? Right, we are at approximately 2668. There is a resistance, right? 821 sell orders at 2672. So minimum we can make $200 if we take a buy now, right? Because the trend is completely bullish. That means in all the time frames, it is making higher highs, higher lows. There is a momentum, right? There is a lot of bullish momentum, lot of buyers are trying to take the control from the sellers. There is also strength. In 1 minute, it is little choppy, but in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, it is looking bullish. Volatility is good, right? There is not too much of volatility or too less volatility. So everything is looking good. So now if I see a buy signal, if I go long, right, you can see, right, there are more buyers, right? More and more buy orders are coming. So I'll wait for a buy signal. And if I get a buy signal, either you can take in your prop accounts, you take in your individual account. If you take in a prop account, you are only limited to your capital. But when you take in prop firms, you may have 10, 20, 30, 50 accounts. Even if you make $100, 100 multiplied by 20, 100 multiplied by 30, right? There are some prop firms which will directly give you the funded accounts like Tradeify, Tick Trader. Then even if you make $100, but if you are connected with 10 funded accounts, that means you will make $1,000, right? For example, I am waiting for a buy signal. If we get a buy signal, easily we can make 150 $200 on this trade, right? Why? Because your clouds are green and blue, which is telling that it is bullish. Your trend is bullish, momentum is bullish, trend strength is there, volatility is there. Everything is giving you an indication that right your line is blue. Your price pulse line is telling that it is very bullish. So it went all the way to the top. I got a pullback. Now again buyers are trying to take it up. So there is a high possibility for gold to this time it may even break this resistance, go all the way till here and then drop. So that means minimum I can make 150 $200 here, right? Let me I'm trying to just waiting for a buy signal. If I get a buy signal, we can easily make 100 $200 with the trade. So just waiting for the reversal. So you can use the same logic with stocks, options, India stocks, India options, futures, currencies, cryptos, whatever it is. If the table is looking bullish, wait for the buy signals. If the table is looking bearish, right? Let us take some example for Bitcoin. The table is mainly bearish, going down. So I'll focus on the sell signal, right? Already sell is going on. I will wait for a pullback. It may go a little bit up and then I may get a sell again. I'll focus on the sell and take the trades. We can make nice profits, right? For Ethereum also same thing. It is in a downtrend. So whenever there is a sell signal, that will be a good opportunity, right? Even ZL1 also same thing. ZC1 also same thing. So like that, whichever are bearish or whichever are okay, this one is not that much bearish. It is bullish. So this is good. This is good. This is also good. So maybe it may move all the way from 439 to 440. Right, I got a buy signal. But this time the volume will be little less. Right, if you want, you can also add volume here. You can see how much volume is going on. So 33,000, 10,000, 1.4. But yeah, just to show you an example, if I want, I can just do a buy because it is completely bullish in all time frames. Momentum is good. The strength is also good, right? 44.8, nearly 20, 46.6, 61.8, 30.6. So if it goes from 439.4 to 440 point, that is a $50. With 10 accounts, that is a $500 profit, right? So even though your profit is small, you can copy that into 10 accounts, 20 accounts, and you can multiply your profits, right? That is the advantage. So like that, you see wherever it is looking bullish, you mainly focus on the buy signals. Whenever it is bearish, you mainly focus on the sell signals. Right now, I got a sell on Ethereum. Right, I got a sell on already. Yeah, it got before some time, but it may come all the way to the bottom. Right, minimum it may come to 99,460 or less. So like that, you can instead of you can pay for each of these, or you can take the indicators. You can become independent so that you are not depending on any analyst to provide you alerts. You can learn, you can become independent, and you can use them for stocks, you can use them for futures, cryptocurrencies, whatever you want, you can use them. So we have some which will mainly help you to for futures. If you get the five indicators, you can do some scanners, you can do ranking, which stocks are moving good, which cryptos are moving good, which currencies are moving good. You can use for everything. So like this will help you to become independent so that once maybe it may take few days or few members are able to become independent within 2 3 days. Few members need little more time. But once you become independent, you have unlimited potential, right? Because you can copy the same trade into 10, 20, 100 accounts also, right? Because there are 40 different prop firms. Even if you are making $100, but you are copying it in 100 accounts, that is a $10,000 profit every day. All you need is 1 hour every day to get that 100, right? Not even 1 hour. You need less than that time to make that $100 profit. So all you need is wait for that good alert, good setup. For example, this one is moving good. Platinum is moving good. Palladium is moving good. Silver is moving good. So for example, silver went all the way to the top. Now it is close to resistance. Otherwise, it is a good opportunity because again the trend is completely bullish, momentum is bullish, trend strength is there. Gold, yeah, gold we got a buy signal now. I can go there. So now I bought at 69.8. So I'm expecting it to go minimum till 71, right? Because overall trend is very good, momentum is good, there is trend strength. So my target is somewhere around 26.71. I can put my target here and I can put my stop loss below this blue line. So yeah, if we just give some few minutes, it will 90% of the time it will go and reach the target, right? Because you have very strong bullish momentum. The trend is completely bullish in all different time frames. There is a proper trend strength, right? In 1 minute it is little choppy, but in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour you have good strength in the bullish trend. Volatility is also good. So we can hold it with patience and you can make your daily target. So yeah, we are just waiting for it to reach the target. It may take some 15 minutes, 20 minutes, but we can hold with patience because a lot of factors are telling that price will go up. Right? I kept my stop loss here and my target here. So now it is little choppy, but overall it is bullish. So if we give some time, it will go and hit our daily target. You will hold the trade because, yeah, right, your swing is also very bullish. This line will act as a support. It may touch it and still go up. Yeah, we should have waited for a pullback, but that's fine. So when you have 35 150K accounts, you have a higher bandwidth for your trail stop loss and other things. So you can hold it for a little longer time. Yeah, I'll hold the trade. We'll come back to the screen. But in meantime, so like that you can either follow the alerts, take the trades by following the alerts, or you can get access to the indicators, practice for a few days watching the live channels, and then you can become independent and you can take trades by yourself. Uh, Whichever you want, you can do for stocks, futures, currencies, crypto, India stocks. In the same way, we have right for US subscribers, mainly they will focus on stocks or US stocks, US options, or cryptos, future, forex. The same way for India customers also, we have channels for India stocks, India options, or you can have a combo. So it is only $40 per month, which will become 50 after 1210. And yeah, this will be 70. Then that will become, right, India, they can also do crypto, futures, forex. They can also get indicators they can use for India stocks, India options, or they can also do all the prop firms, everything, even though they are based out of India. More than 35, 40 futures prop firms allow Indian citizens to open the accounts and do trading. Even for forex, also we have 40, 50 companies for prop firms. So you can subscribe to any of these indicators. You can go to this page. You can subscribe to any of those services from that page. And yeah, in addition to this, we also have trainings where we do train on technical analysis from end to end, right? Explaining you each of the technical analysis concepts like yeah, end to end, which will be like 3 to 4 week training course. And then we have options end to end, starting from the basics until all the advanced option strategies. We have futures training, forex training, all those things. But we do it every 6 months once or yearly once, uh, because right, if you Yeah, it is good to learn, but it is much longer term process. Whereas if you follow the indicators, if you start practicing or learning them, it is much faster process. Because if you have to learn all the technical analysis concepts from the basics, it may take few months or maybe 6 months to 1 year for you to first understand all the concepts, then practice each of the strategies, right? Because there are momentum strategies, reversal strategies, price action strategies, demand and supply strategies, ICT strategies. There are so many different strategies. So first thing is you have to learn all those. Then you have to start using each of them, and then you have to find which one is working best for you, and then you have to follow that. So that is a much long-term process. But if anyone is interested, we have all the recorded sessions. You can yeah, pay for those trainings and you can watch the recordings. That is one more thing we offer, where you watch. So Uday is one of best trainer for technical analysis and options. So we did more than 40 to 50 batches, and yeah, we can help with those trainings also. So yeah, on a high level, right? So you need to understand what type of trader you are. Based on that, you have to take a decision, right? If you are a low risk trader but trying to do something like options, it may not work well for you. If you are a high risk trader and you try to do stocks, you may not feel good. So first thing is it is very important for you to understand what is your skill set or what is your time frame available for trading, how much time you can spend, what type of trader you are, right? Or your mentality, or you are happy with low risk and low returns, or you want to take high risk for higher returns, or you are a moderate trader. Based on that, you have to understand, right, which is a better service or which is a better instrument, which is a better one. So, for example, right, if you buy naked calls, naked puts, you have a high risk and high reward. You are a moderate trader. You don't want to take high risk. You are happy with 30%, 25% for 90% of the time. Naked calls, naked puts may give 200%, 300%, but they may also have 30%. 30% of the time, we may also have a loss. 70, 75% of the time, you may make gains on naked calls, naked puts. Whereas bear call spreads or bull put spreads will make profits 90% of the time, but you may make only 30, 40, 50% gains. You may not make 400%, 500% on the spreads, because you are both a seller and buyer when you are doing spreads. So if you are a trader who want 90% success with 40% average gains, bull put or spreads are for you. You are a trader who is okay to take uh, risk for higher returns, right? If there is an earning call tomorrow for Oracle, we can buy a put. If it drops 20, 30 points, you may make 500%, 600%. If you do a bear call spread, you may make 40%, 50%, but you have 90% probability to make profits on a bear call spread. You have 70, 75% probability to make profits on a put if you buy a put. So which one you want to do is up to you based on your risk analysis, your risk appetite, your risk profile. So first you need to analyze that. Based on that, if you select a service or select something, then you will be profitable. If your profile is a low risk trader, but you are trying to do naked calls, naked puts, it may not work, right? It may not be matching with your profile. Suddenly you see 20% drop on a naked call premium, you may feel panic, you may sell it off. Immediately once you sell it off, it will start moving up, right? Because stocks will never move in one direction. There will be always pullbacks. You see momentum is very bullish, but you may see a drop. And suddenly if you are a low risk trader, you immediately get panic and you will sell, and then immediately it will go and hit the target. So that's what happens. So it is always better to identify, all right, am I a low risk? Am I a medium risk? Am I a high risk? Am I a day trader? Am I a scalper? Am I a swing trader? Am I a long term trader? Once you understand that, based on that, you choose those channels. You can put the other channels on mute and focus on the channels or focus on the alerts which are suitable for your account size, for your mindset, for your risk appetite, then you will be more successful. If you try to do something which is against your risk appetite, you will be either you may not take trades on time, or you may not take gains on time, or you may not enter the trades on time. So there might be a lot of mismatch between your risk profile and the type of trades you are taking. Then you may not be able to make the gains as expected. So that's why it is important to understand what are the services which are good for what type of traders. And if you want to become independent, definitely indicators will help you. If you want to only focus 5-10 minutes every day, right, in the end of the day, in the morning, maybe earnings channel is for you. Right, for earnings channel, it is only $99. So yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. And then yeah, for all the existing members, it will continue in the same way, right? If you are a subscriber before 12:10, it will not change for you. Only if somebody is subscribing for the first time after December 10th, for them it will change. But if you subscribe before 12:10, it will continue in the same way for lifetime. Until you cancel, it will go, it will, the same price will continue for you. But if somebody is subscribing after 12:10, only then they have to pay a new fee. Yeah, and if you get 3 month subscription, right? For example, same plan, if you get 3 months, you get maybe 15-20% discount compared to a monthly plan. You get 6 months, you get much maybe 35-40% discount. You get a 1 year plan, you get much better discount. So these are what I'm showing are the monthly plans. But if you go with a 3 month plan or 6 months plan on any of these things, you will get a much better price. Uh, so if you go to So if you are subscribed to only earnings channel, then you won't get the options premium channel, right? Options premium is for you will get lot of alerts here throughout the day. Earnings channel is only for last 10 minutes and first day. So that's why this only earning channel is $99. If you get options premium, then you get both premium plus earnings, which is 149. Yeah, if you get the stocks options premium bot, you will get uh, So let me copy the link one more time. Uh, so if you go to this right link tree channel, which I am pasting the link here. So here, if you want to subscribe to any of the prop firms, you can do that. Or you want to get, for example, you want a US options channel, you want US stocks channel, you want futures and crypto channel, you want forex channel, you want RC India options, India stocks, or trainings. You have everything, all the combination there. Or I'll also paste stocks underscore options underscore bot for the combo. If you go to those bots, you will see the prices. You will get a better discount if you go with the 3 months or 6 months or annual plans. Yeah, for India customers, it will be both BSE and NSE stocks. So again, Prasad is one of the top analysts in India. He provides. We have MK and others, but Prasad is the one who mainly gives the India stocks and India options. He is more than 25, 30 years experienced in the India stock market. So yeah, you can trade. Zerodha is one of the best brokers in India, like Thinkorswim. So you may not get too many alerts like in US market, but still you have 80% success with all the stocks and options. He is very experienced and he provides uh, great alerts. We have a lot of customers who are happy with the service. So if you go to this website, you can read whichever you want. You can click on that and you can subscribe. So if someone who is on a monthly, they want to go to 3 months, they can get a 3 months and then send a message on the same bot. Then we'll refund the prorated amount on their monthly plans. Right, I told you about the prop firms where you don't need to invest your own money. You can, for example, for futures, there are many companies like Tradify, Bullnox, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Future, Stop Step Trader, Blue Sky, You Profit, Tick Tick Trader, Apex. So you can just click here and then it shows the coupon code. You can click on Go to Store and you can basically get whichever plan you want. That is where if you want to trade futures without investing your own money, you can follow these things. Uh, there are nearly 3 to 4 different companies for stocks and options. Some of them are like tradefunder.com, trade the pit, tradethepool.com, tradingpit.com. There are so they have their own platforms. Uh, so those providers will give their own websites. Yeah, if anybody want, they can add one more gold contract. Yeah, gold will go up. Again, there was a small pullback, but it will move up. So if you have any friends, you can refer and you can make 10% for lifelong. So if they continue to be customers for lifelong, you'll be making 10% every month. You can tell them when they subscribe, they can put your name and then you will receive the credit. So if you refer 10 friends, that means your lifelong your subscription will be free. If you're right, we try to make sure your friends will continue. If we provide 80-85%, and if they don't go all in, then they will be happy. Yeah, price for all 6 months, 3 months, everything will go up along with the monthly. Yeah, if you get stocks, options, premium bot, then you will have access to all the options, stocks, long term, everything. Yeah. No, as of now, we don't have a lifetime plan for stocks and options. For day trading or high momentum stocks, it will be mainly the bots, which will be telling you all the news and all the volume spike alerts. For swing trading and for long term, you will receive the alerts with the target, stop loss, and other things. Whereas for scalping, you will mainly get the volume spike and then the associated catalyst. If you see some good news, then generally they may go 50, 70, 200% up, but you focus only for 20%. If you make 20% on two, three stocks every day, that is more than enough. Yeah, if you got only options, then you can cancel and buy both, and we can refund the 149. Yeah, stocks, options, premium will have. Right, again, when you are doing options, there are different ways, right? For example, if somebody is right to do a naked call, naked put, you may need long, right? More investment. You can do a bull put spread if you want to invest less, right? When you're doing a bull, if we are bullish, either we can buy calls or you can also do a bull put spread. Then your investment will be less. So if you have a small account, you don't want to take risk with naked calls or naked puts. You can always do a bull put spread. That will need very low investment, and you can make 90% of the time you can make profits. No, the alert channel is different, and yeah, last 2 days I was away. From tomorrow, you'll get the live links for options trading. Thursday, Friday, I was not in. Yeah, for earnings, it is only $99 per month. Bear call means you will sell a lower strike price and you will buy a higher strike price. Whereas bull put, it is a higher strike put, you will sell, lower strike put, you will buy. So both are opposite. You can take whenever there is a bull put spread, you if it is in nice profits, you can take some trim some 60% and keep remaining four and let them expire. The 500K 150K account was only for yesterday. I'm receiving the questions on the Zoom chat. Uh, so in Telegram, AA channel is for your earnings. For day trading, halts, option alerts. Yeah, if you are getting indicators, you will get access to only crypto futures channel and the indicators premium channel, where I'll post the live session links. You may not receive all the stocks or options alerts, right? There you are learning to become independent. Here you are depending on analysts to provide you the alerts. Mm, no, stocks subscription is different from earnings channel. Yeah, by default option, right, in the options channel. So by default, we'll be mainly taking. So if you don't see any message, right? For example, if you see mRNA 21st March 60 call at 3.5, right? By SOUN 17th April 9 call at 1.6. Now this is around 500 or maybe 600% up. So by default, if you don't see anything, that means we are buying the naked calls, right? SOUN 17th April, that means we are buying SOUN 9 call for 17th April expiry date. We are paying approximate premium of $1.6. mRNA 21st March 60 call, that means we are buying a mRNA 60 call for 20th March 2025. We are paying this much. So mainly the alerts given by MG will be mainly swing trades. Whereas whatever alerts I give, generally they will be day trades or maximum we hold for a day. Whereas these ones are mainly based on daily support, weekly support. You get the alerts where you can make huge profits. Right? This is for you in mRNA, all are making huge profits. So unless you see a sell, so if you see your BN46 call at 1.25, that means we are just buying here. If we want to sell calls or if we want to do something, then you will see something like sell in the alert. Otherwise, it is just like, right, for example, here we are saying sell urban 42 call and buy urban 40 call at zero point 0.7. Sell urban 37 put and collect $110. Pan W sell 400p buy 390p for 1220 and collect $400 premium. So unless you see a sell option, otherwise it is, if we are doing a sell, that means we are bearish for a call. And generally, the advantage with earnings is they make huge profits. So, yeah, 8 out of 10 are making nice profits. The other one or two also, sometimes they move well post earnings as expected, but only when market opens, sometimes we may see a sudden drop. Otherwise, we'd have made more profits. Yeah, bull put spreads, you can see, right? For example, you can say, right? Here SPX 6095, 6090 bull put. That means we are selling a 6095 and buying 6090 for 12.9 and collect $230 premium. Right? Sometimes you'll see. And also one more thing, if you see something in bold format, that means the alert is coming from me. If you see something in a non-bold format, that means it is a alert. And so that is one major difference between my alerts and MG alerts for options. And also generally most of the time he gives a longer expiry date, right? These are more for swing trades or more leap trades where PFE is at a weekly support or daily support, monthly support like that. Whereas my trades will be more on 5 minutes, 10 minute support, 15-minute support. So they quickly make profits. You have to enter and exit on time. Whereas for MG trades, you can even you don't enter immediately, you can enter at the end of the day also because his trades are more of swing trades in nature. So here you will only get the earnings alerts in the AA channel. So if you don't want too many trades, you can focus on this channel. Just for last 10 minutes, you can take all the trades given on the day, and in the morning time, you can just exit the trades. We have yearly subscription, but no lifetime as of now. As of now, we don't have any plans to combine futures and options. So I'll do a separate session for explaining the indicators because it's already more than 1.5 hours. Right. Today, I wanted to mainly provide you so that you understand which type of service may be good for you. And because of Trump coming into the rule or all the, so there can be a lot more great opportunities every day, and we are making 80-85% success with both earnings alerts, options premium, stocks. Uh, so yeah, either if you want to become independent, learn, then this is the best one for you, or you want to just follow the alerts, these are for you. It is up to you, whichever you want. You can We can do that. Uh, so right, again, you have all the live sessions every day. Uh, yeah, every day you have we all our sessions are recorded, right? Not just one day, but every day whenever I take the live sessions, all the sessions are recorded, all the trainings are recorded. You can watch them, how to set up the indicators, how to use the indicators. Uh, you have all the each live session, so you understand when we are buying the trades, when we are selling, when we are doing bull put spreads, when we are doing bear call spreads, all those things. 80-90% of the time we are making gains. There are always that 10%, 15%, there is always a risk, but that's why that position size, having a consistent amount, is very very important. So you have recordings of every day live session, right? Otherwise nobody will do a live session with hundreds of users and also record and share it if we don't know what we are doing, or if we so you can watch them, you can understand, you can watch any session, you will understand when we are buying, when we are selling, what are the rules to use the indicators, all those things, right? Yeah, I will keep sharing, right, our success rate. I gave you examples of tomorrow oracle, there is 90% chance we may see a drop. So I shared many such alerts, and 85-90% of the time everything is moving as expected. So tomorrow also you can see that. So yeah, that's it everyone. Again, right, it is up to you. If you want to take the opportunity before the price goes up, you can. Otherwise you can yeah, watch for more time and pay higher prices later. But yeah, if you follow the proper position size, I can give you assurance that you will be profitable at the end of the week, at the end of the month. You will be green. If you maintain, right, don't buy 10 contracts or 10 stocks, 100 stocks. Put a specific amount. Use $500 or $1,000 or $200, whatever, right, based on your account size. Have a consistent amount and use that amount for every trade, whatever we take. Then you will be you will be profitable. But if you, after winning two, three trades, suddenly you go up in a big position size, and only if the trade goes bad, all the profits you made on all the other trades become zero. That's why it is very important to put a consistent position size, or use the same amount for each of, whether you do stocks or futures or options, whatever it is, use a similar amount so that you will be, if 8 out of 10 trades are making profits, you will be green. Yeah, I'll send the updated replicant version. So halts means basically there is a huge momentum in that stock. Generally, right? So if some stock is going very, very high suddenly, then that stock gets halted, right? For nearly 5 minutes, they will break the trading on that stock. They want to make sure there is no manipulation or something. They will pause it for 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes, suddenly when it again goes, right, when the trading is unhalted, then again it may go up or it may go down. But yeah, again, if you don't want to take a risk, better you don't trade the halts, right? You only focus on this volume spike, whenever you see some good news, and especially if that good news is related to health related thing, those stocks will move huge, right? Anything cancer, blood pressure, heart attack, paralysis, anything related to that, you see in news, that stock will move 50, 100% on the day, right? TOVX. You can, right? You can go here, search on cancer. So TOVX. So yeah, there will be many stocks with such type of news. APVO, CANF, right? 80 years survival with complete cure for a patient. Uh, I think we already saw that example. Because each member is different. Some of them have medium risk, some of them have low risk. So you are getting a complete package here. So based on your thing, you can choose whichever you want. Maybe in future we may do something like this one for 99, this one for 99, this one for 99. So that instead of paying 149, based on your style, you can only take one of them. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So you can watch the recordings or you can watch the, right? I do maybe weekly once, I do a free session. You can also join those sessions if you are still not confident or not able to understand why we are taking trades. You can join those free sessions and then, right, every day I give some one, two, or if not one, yeah, two, minimum one free alert in the US equities. You can first make the profits and then once you make profits, you can use that and you can become a premium member. You will have more opportunities when you are a premium member. You can join the live sessions. You can see why you are taking trades. You can have multiple trades. Uh, so yeah, that's it, everyone. Talk to you tomorrow morning in the live session. Yeah, if you enroll now, it will continue for lifelong until you cancel. Yeah, analyst will analyze if there are any stocks which are moving good. They will also put it in the swing channel. So for trainings, it is RC underscore trainings underscore bot. If you subscribe to that, you will get the video recordings for technical analysis or options end to end based on whatever trainings plan you get it, you will get the recordings. You can watch them multiple times. Yeah, if you get the 5 trading view indicator plan, you'll get access to futures channel also. But tomorrow we'll do a setup session and help the members. Today I took more time. Tomorrow we'll do setup session to help any members to set up the indicators or to set up the replicant and other things. No, we don't have. You can go to Stripe. So tomorrow it will be at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. CST for setup session. We have a Stripe, and generally Stripe allows all different types of currencies. You can yeah, all the links. You should be able to select them. If you want the combo, you have to go to stocks underscore options underscore bot. Right, if you are looking for bulk license, you have to, right, because only when we have 10 members, we can buy the bulk licenses. So I am still waiting for two or three more. I got payment from six. Okay, bro. Talk to you tomorrow in the live session. And I'll update whenever I close the GC long. I'll post in the channel. Again, it should move to profits. Just it is just matter of some time. Live session will be generally at 9 a.m. Central. 9 to 11 is good enough for us to make $300 to $400 with futures and few option trades. Subbu, maybe just restart your chart. As long as you have data plan, you should be able to see the order blocks, buy orders, sell orders, everything. Good night, everyone. Talk to you tomorrow.